If you're serious about building wealth and learning how to make your money work for you, I'm specially inviting you to my stock market investing masterclass. This is going to run from Friday, August 1st to the 22nd of August. This is where I teach you how exactly I grew my portfolio from just a few $1,000s to almost $500,000 within just 5 years. Investing is a learnable skill. In this course, I'm going to teach you how the stock market works, how to open and use the brokerage account, how to research and pick winning stocks, how to build long-term investment portfolios, and exactly what are the investment strategies and tools that I use to build my portfolio and master how to make my money work for me. I'm also going to give you real-life examples and mistakes to avoid. This is a session where you can ask me questions. What are some of the burning questions that you have? What are some of the mistakes that I've made that you can even learn from? This is a session that I'm going to show you step by step how I was able to just build my portfolio within the space of 5 years. Investing is a learnable skill, and it's important to learn from a practitioner, from somebody that is already investing successfully. This is not a free masterclass. It's going to cost you $1,000. And I don't even want a lot of people, just a few select people that are eager to learn how to make their money work for them. Those that want to start with a portfolio of 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 100,000, $1 million. Those that are eager to grow their wealth. I don't want somebody that says, oh, I just want to invest $10. No, this masterclass is not for you. If you're part of the people that says, oh, I just want to invest $100, $200 per month, no, this masterclass is not for you. But for those of you that are committed and are hungry to learn, you want to grow your portfolio to multi-million in the next few years, then this masterclass is for you. In this masterclass, I'm not going to invest for you, nope, but I'm going to teach you. Because why? Once you know and understand how to make your money work for you, something literally changes in the way you approach life, the way you approach work, the way you approach your business, because you're playing a bigger game. You're not just using your physical energy to generate money. You can be using your physical energy, but the money that you're generating is also working for you, because you understand that your income is your most powerful wealth generating tool. And the moment you understand how to use step number 1, acquire new skills. By acquiring new skills, then you can earn more. And the more you earn and you're able to learn how to invest and you understand how to turn that money into more money to get more soldiers for you, then you can pass that same knowledge to the next generation. This masterclass is not for everybody. I'm only interested in those that are eager and hungry to learn. Again, it's just going to cost you $1,000. The link to register is in the description area below. The spot is limited, meaning that I'm not opening this up to a lot of people, because why? I only want to mentor those that are eager to make their money work for them. If you're ready to take control of your financial life, click on the registration link below and I'll see you August 1st. Until then, I'm Umoren, your trusted money coach, and I teach you how to make your money work for you.